Haz Miloux, congratulations. You seem quite blown away. Was it?
Sweating more than I walked in.
So you had no expectation?
I mean, we came in here just like, being nominated was like pretty good.
Yeah.
Like, I didn't think we were going to beat Stan.
Yeah, we thought, we were so happy to be nominated for, this is a recently new project for us, working together. Like, obviously Haz is from a hip hop background, I'm more like vocalist, so yeah, it means the world to us.
It's obviously working.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, we got an award.
So how do you share it?
You can have it for tonight. I'll take it for the rest of your life.
Haz, did Homebrew get one though?
Yeah. I think that was the year we got kicked out. But we back, man. We back.
So what's the rules for tonight? You have to be more sensible so you don't get kicked out?
Nah. I think
Same rules, we'll be fine. But I'll just hold
we'll
on.
worry about that tomorrow.
Yeah.
I heard you guys met via email. That's totally normal these days, isn't it?
Yeah, pretty much. The way the new day and age is,
Yeah, so you hear like people's beats on SoundCloud or, someone's like remix this thing. But yeah, for us, it turned into a much, I don't know. It just vibed so much. Like,
I think we just clicked.
Yeah. We were very lucky.
Yeah.
Like everything I think Haz does, I can write on top of that. So it's very rare for a producer for me. So
That's so cool. What are you excited about most tonight? Now that you've got the award, you can relax.
Pretty much, man. I think I'll stop sweating.
yeah, I was honestly so worried about the speech, and now it's done. I can be like,
I was like shaking in my speech.
yeah.
Oh my God, go rest and relax and congratulations. We're so excited for you.
Thank you.
Thank you.